Greetings all. My name is Sibongile Sibisi. I come from Amajuba District, PLSGET. I am a subject advisor for foundation phase. We've started with Egri as a program, which stands for Early Grade Reading Instruction in IsiZulu. This is a program that sets to empower SMTs, circuit managers, teacher development, and subject advisory, as well as extending it to parents' involvement, which calls for collaboration of all stakeholders in ensuring that our learners are able to read for meaning in IsiZulu. It is a very extensive program, and it has got blended platforms. There is LMS, where teachers will be exposed to learning online, and there will be PLCs that will be formed as we are now expanding the program to cover all the districts of Amajuba. We started with only 29 schools in 2025, and we have set to take 35 schools in 2026. But then our very vibrant chief director advised that this program is essential for all in the department, especially for teachers in the foundation phase from grade R up to grade 3. It is very, very important. See, the focus is no longer up in the roof, but they are going down deep into the foundation phase so that we get good foundations for learning. And we have got all these programs that are speaking to developing reading. But this one is very special because it gives teachers the platform to constantly serve themselves online as well as during their PLCs, where they are going to share good practices. I'm very grateful that it has brought about collaboration between subject advisors, circuit managers, teacher development, as well as it will be extended to parents as well for parent involvement. I feel that there will be a turnaround in the reading in the early grades through this program. I thank you.